Before we start, remember, everything you see in this video is not investment advice. You can lose all your money by investing. The film was made for entertainment purposes. If you're looking for Anchor Protocol price predictions for 2022, 2025, 2030 and want to know where the prices of Anchor Protocol will go in the future, we will analyze the past prices of Anchor Protocol and will find out what experts are saying about its future price actions. Please keep that in mind. You need to take this prediction and every other prediction with the intention that this is only the suggestion of some market expert. Not to mention predicting something so perfect is completely impossible. But we will try our best. Let's start. So at the end of 2030 the average price is $3.46. The company was founded in 2020 and is headquartered in Seoul, South Korea. Anchor is a lending and borrowing protocol that provides crypto natives, fintech companies, and investors a stable high interest rate, offering up to 19.5%. The idea is simple. A lender deposits its UST with Anchor and that UST is used to make collateralized loans for which it receives interest. How do you earn interest with Anchor? Suppose you have $100, how can you use Anchor to realize an annual return up to 20%? In a nutshell, you need to first provide bonded assets, be Luna, as collaterals, then borrow a stablecoin, UST, against the collaterals, deposit the borrowed stablecoin to earn a ANC reward token. Is Anchor Protocol available in US? Some cryptocurrencies are harder to obtain than others. Anchor Protocol is one of them. It's not available on the Coinbase app or Coinbase wallet. No worries. Binance offers many options. You can easily buy Anchor Protocol with the lowest fees and highest security anywhere Binance is available. Can you use PayPal on Anchor? It is not possible to link your PayPal account to your Anchor account to receive your funds. How does Anchor Protocol work? Anchor Protocol serves as a money market between lenders and borrowers of stablecoins. The lenders can deposit their stablecoins on the platform for borrowing and earn interest on them. The borrowers, in turn, can borrow these stablecoins by providing stakeable assets as collateral. Terra's popular decentralized finance protocol Anchor is coming to Polkadot's Akala network. The partnership comes as Polkadot looks to grow its DeFi adoption and Anchor expands onto new blockchains. News. Here's how a user made free $800,000 using Anchor Protocol following launch of Luna 2.0. A customer discovered a fault in Anchor Protocol, a lending and borrowing network, and was fortunate enough to earn a free $800,000. Other users having access to the platform's pricing oracle became aware of the problem and attempted to exploit it, but were met with an error. The platform team was swift to fix the problem, minimizing more losses. Some even accused Do Kwon of engaging in an exploit, claiming that he is the only one capable of doing it on purpose. Because of a flaw in Anchor Protocol, a lending and borrowing website, a user struck lucky and received a free $800,000. According to recent sources, the price of Luna Classic has risen to $5, despite the fact that the actual assets are valued far lower. A user on Anchor's protocol discovered the flaw after depositing about 20 million Lido bonded Luna tokens, which the platform valued at $100 million. The true value of the cash should be $200,000. A user who took advantage of the flaw took out a loan for 40 million UST and profited $800,000. With the pricing oracle on the platform, additional users became aware of the problem and attempted to exploit it, but were met with an error. The platform's crew promptly fixed the problem, saving more losses. People have even imposed acquisitions on Do Kwon for carrying out an exploit since he is the only person capable of doing it on purpose. The entire cryptocurrency market was anticipating the launch of Luna 2.0. However, Do Kwon's mission to breathe new life into the network failed miserably once again, with the new token losing nearly 70% of its value, causing even more controversy in the community, given that only a small fraction of funds were unlocked and more selling pressure is expected to hit the market. Meanwhile, investors and traders continue to blame the Terra co-founder, claiming that he is to blame for the depegging of the UST stablecoin and the 100% Luna crash. Warning: scammers looking to take advantage of Luna 2.0 airdrop. Scammers have been delivering wrapped Luna to the public addresses of crypto influencers and CEOs, according to Peck Shield, a blockchain monitoring and security service. Using an anonymous Ethereum address, the fraudsters produced a wrapped Luna 2.0 token and delivered it to Terra deployer. The fraudsters then sent the tokens to other public addresses, including those of Justin Sun and Vitalik Buterin. What about technical analysis? After the opening of trading, the price rose slightly, after which it fell from the maximum to the support level of $0.0846. This drop was almost 99% of the price. The coin entered the consolidation phase and is still trading in this range. The coin reduces its volatility and begins to collect energy under resistance. I suppose the breakdown of the upper limit of the range, followed by growth. The short-term target is $0.92136. Medium-term target $1.253. The crypto market was taken aback by the recent collapse of the Terra USD stablecoin. People who perceived Terra as a more safe asset than other, more publicly volatile cryptocurrencies and invested extensively in the coin or its related anchor system are now coping with the fallout, selling assets to make up for their losses. The Wall Street Journal published a story on Friday on some of these investors, including one doctor who highlighted how the decline of Terra USD has affected his family's future. Keith Baldwin, a 44-year-old surgeon who lives outside New Bedford, Massachusetts, saved $177,000 during the past decade. Last year he took his savings and bought USD coin, putting it in a crypto account that paid a 9% annual yield. In April, he moved it into a pseudo-savings account powered by Terra USD that offered 15%. More than 90% of his savings vanished in a few days when Terra USD lost its peg to the dollar. Dr. Baldwin said he didn't know that StableGains, the startup that managed the account, was converting his USD coin holdings into Terra USD. USD coin has kept its $1 peg. When Dr. Baldwin learned that Terra USD's troubles were threatening his nest egg, he scrambled to withdraw his funds from StableGains. Hours ticked by as the site processed the transfer. By the time they landed at Dr. Baldwin's newly created account at the Kraken crypto exchange, the coin was trading at just 14 cents. Dr. Baldwin doesn't consider himself a crypto enthusiast. He had hoped to spend the money on a house. Now he has been cutting back on expenses so he can still save for his children's education. "I don't want to punish our kids for the mistake I made," he said. Is ANC coin a good investment? ANC is considered one of the top rising cryptocurrencies this year. It is a good investment in 2022. However, crypto traders need to take extra care when trading in cryptocurrencies, as they are highly volatile. How do I invest in Anchor Protocol? 1. Check CoinMarketCap to see where you can buy Anchor Protocol and with which currencies. For each cryptocurrency, CoinMarketCap provides a list of purchasing options. 2. Pick a platform to make your purchase. 3. Make the purchase on your chosen platform. What coin does Anchor Protocol use? Currently, the Anchor Protocol only accepts deposits and provides loans in one stablecoin, Terra USD. Further, the platform accepts only 2B assets as collateral for UST loans, bonded Luna or bonded ETH. What is UST crypto? UST is an algorithmic stablecoin, which means it has no reserves. Instead, it holds value based on an algorithm that is coded to strike a balance between the stablecoin and a partner coin, in this case, Luna. How do I deposit UST into Anchor Protocol? Head on to Anchor Protocol and ensure you are on the Earn tab. All you have to do is connect your Terra Station wallet and press that deposit button. Now, you just have to deposit your UST in the Anchor Protocol and sit back to enjoy the sweet yield. Where does Do Kwon live? Kwon, who is 30, from South Korea, and currently based in Singapore. How did Do Kwon make his money? Kwon co-founded Terra to use blockchain technology to develop a more efficient payment system. Its eponymous price-stable cryptocurrency, or stablecoin, attracted 40 million users to work with the company at launch in January 2018.